Hello and welcome back in the Gourmet Gambit. Today we're going to do some Asian style cooking and we're going to make a very nice fruity tenderloin pork steam pot. You don't have to use a clay pot to do this. You can also use a skillet with a lid or a pan with a lid. It's all about low and slow cooking. I'm Wes, let's get started. We're going to make a little marinade. 2 tablespoons of rice wine, Hoisin or something like that. 3 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. We're going to add 4 to 5 garlic cloves. Add about 1/4 cup of water. Mix it up. We're going to cut our tenderloins in half. We're going to put them in the marinade, give them a good coating, and we're going to let these marinate for 1 hour in our fridge. In the meantime, we're going to chop our shallots. We're just going to slice them into little strips. That's not really a hard job to do. What we're also going to need for our dish is candied papaya, candied ginger, dried cranberries. These are 1/2 cup and 1 cup of walnut. The cilantro and the parsley, we're going to preserve the stems. And we're going to chop the rest grossly to serve with our dish at the end. I'm going to pour some of my Sichuan pepper oil. You can use any vegetable oil you like, of course. Give it a little bit of a coating. Add the stems of the cilantro and the parsley. Add a little bit of walnuts, a little bit of candied ginger, candied papaya, or dried cranberries. I'm going to add our tenderloin. Again the walnuts, the rest of our candied ginger, the rest of our candied papaya, cranberries, put the shallots on top. We're going to add 2 tablespoons more of hoisin sauce in the marinade, mix it up, add it in our clay pot. We're going to put our clay pot on low heat and let it simmer for 1.5 hours. And here we are 1.5 hours later and it all looks beautiful cooked. Use any side dish you like, rice, noodles, serve with some chopped cilantro and parsley and some sweet soy sauce. This is not a difficult recipe to do, actually quite simple in ingredients. I hope you enjoyed the recipe and all that's left to say, my dear friends, bon appetit and see you back soon.